in my car already. I haven't even gone halfway. Like, this is insane. Let me show you quickly. So I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. I want this one real bad. And then I have this sparkly one. I just need a yard for a skirt. And then I have this one for like the pink top that I'm trying to make. We have this nice fabric. It's like a sunset with a lot of summer fabrics. This one's for the pink top I'm about to make. This is for a project that I'm not sure yet. And then this is for like the skirts. And then this is for my two-piece.
This one I beg you with the jabata. I know get time I did that. That cover my face, calling me that bata. Biggie man, we don't be where I bata.
Super proud of myself. I went to 3 stores and did not buy nothing. This is the only thing I have from Primark. Period. Well, this is a jumpsuit I made with the mesh fabric. It fits like a glove. And I can sit, I can bend, whatever. I can raise my legs. Alright, kiddos. It's almost time for me to go. I feel like taking my camera, but who gonna hold the camera for me? Exactly, no one.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me.
We're about to head to the event. This is what I'm wearing. Something cute, something, and I'm going to be wearing this thing every single day that I possibly can. Cause I don't have anything to wear. Like, I have a whole bunch of clothes, nothing to wear. Like, I just don't know what to wear. So I just put on this jumpsuit and called it a day. I'm gonna call my Uber though, cause I meant to be there like 10 minutes ago.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime, go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime, time to slow down.
Guys, I'm in a bookstore and there's so much to look at, honestly. I'm trying to look for magazines like Days and Vogue. Let's see what I can find. This is my Cava order. I put a lot of stuff and shit. And I got a drink. And then my kava bag. Yeah. I also have pita bread. Waited almost 2 hours for this fucking meal. So good. Oh my god. I've actually been here before, and the last time I was here was in 2022. I just love looking at art. This is very cute. Three Graces by Richard. Blackbird. Okay, this one is quite literal. Yeah, this is cute. I like this. I love looking at art. I've been here before.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime.
I got my lashes done today. I'm all ready to go. I haven't put on perfume yet, but I don't know what to wear on my feet because my toes are a mess. My toes are a big mess. Is anyone gonna look at my feet? Yes, that's the thing. I've been looking at people's feet, so somebody's probably gonna look at mine. Yeah, and my Coach bag. You guys are ready for Bryson Tiller. See the hair, nice and cutesy, and then the outfit, Fashion Nova, local store, heels from Shein, bag from Shein, nails from Etsy, rings from all over, face from God, body from God. My makeup has been eating so bad lately. I love that for me. It's Memorial Weekend also, so we're outside. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday. 5-day weekend. Outfit of the day. Alright, let me go. Bye.
A whole lot of fans been asking me about this song right here, man. They like, yo, you gotta add this shit to the set list. So I gotta see. Oh, girl, you and me. I cried my last teardrop. So you're trying to roll. Let's go, let's let me know. Oh, you're the reason I even.
Oh, you already know the drill, okay? Hair done. Hello, who is she? Anyways, I'm going now because the weather is really good outside and I'm going to be outside. I'm going to, I don't know yet, but I might meet up for lunch with Ozzy in between. So I shall go downtown, find something to do, you know, do something really random like I usually do, go sightseeing, monthly exploration, blah blah. Silver and gold on, but babe, that's allowed. So yeah, it's giving like tennis court cute girl vibes and I like it. I really do, like 3 times too, but I don't care, man. I'm just gonna go like that. I'm gonna go like that. There's nothing much I can do about it anyways. Yo, look at our plates. It's giving low vibrational. Low vibrational. Low vibrational. Low vibrational. Low vibrational food.
Hi guys, we're here on this vlog at Sporting Press.
Where did you get it from?
All hand drawn, and then you just reprinted it.
Yeah, it's a video.
My signatures, my face tattoo, and
So now we're at Cheesecake again. About to have some dinner because your girls are hungry. Sorry. Thank you. All right, guys, so we are going to the beach. Uzi woke me up from sleep. I was like, she's going. And she's going for this thing. And do I want to come? I was like, yeah, sure. I just dressed up real quick. I'm taking my camera with me, of course. Yeah. Beach day.
Give them softly, softly.
What is this? Nice. We're living life. October. Anyways, they better make it good.
When I was a little girl,
Nobody cares.
movie
000, what is your emergency? What's your emergency? 911, what is your emergency?
I'm about to head out to meet the guys. Catch y'all later. I need to go.
The whiskey with cranberry juice. Yeah, 2 of them.
They said they're too
And
quiet.
the Chardonnay. But you already put it in?
No, I haven't.
Perfect. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, because I thought that was too much.
Yeah.
So you could.
Thank you.
Ever since I went to France, I've been drinking Chardonnay. Crazy.
There you go. And then this is the lime.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
You need napkins. You're welcome.
Do you want to say something to my camera?
I have no lashes on.
Thank you. You guys, this is the mango daiquiri. Okay.
Oh, that's on fire. No.
What's happening, Fred?
Content is being made. Okay.
Imagine. No more. It was good though.
Literally, girl.
I was just in love with you. So confess with you.